Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you to make one of the best, tastiest, and crispy baked chicken wings. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through the process. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I'll take you through the process for this video. So stay tuned. Today I'm sharing my delicious baked crispy chicken wings with you. I'm serving this with some gerb mayo. So stay tuned and enjoy this beautiful recipe and tutorial. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So here I have some chicken wings. Taking them out of the pocket. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prep them. So basically I'm going to take these small pieces off. Go ahead and cut these in half. So you cut them in half like this. Put them in a bowl. Remember, this is personal preference. If you want, you can do whatever you want to them as whole as they are. But I'm just doing this because I want them to cook evenly. So you have the chicken is ready. Now I'm going to show you the different type of season I'm using. First I have some ground cracked black pepper. Here, some garlic powder. Personal preference, you can use fresh garlic if you wish to. And in this one, I have some dry thyme. Here, I have some chili powder. There, some ground ginger. In this one, I have some all-purpose, which is my own brand. This is the all-purpose I'm using. It's my own brand. I will put a link in the description how you can order these. Very effective and quality product. The next step is we're going to get a larger bowl and you're going to combine all your ingredients in this one. So get yourself a spoon or a fork and just mix them together. After you finish that, so you get yourself a plastic bag what you're going to do with this bag, you're going to put the wings in this bag. So all the wings is in that bag now. So what I'm going to do, I have some Himalaya salt here. I'm going to get some salt, just put over it. You're going to put about half of this mixed season over this, that amount. Close the bag, just like this. Give it a shake. So as you can see, it is coated. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to put about 3 spoons of this. This is a jerk marinate, which is this, my own brand. I'm going to add a bit over it, just for extra flavor. So I'm putting 3 teaspoons over that. Open the bag, give them with a shake. And this is one of the easiest way to do this. Look at that. See that? All coated nice. So I'm going to get a large baking tray. So get yourself some olive oil, whatever oil you have. Just rub it all over this. So we're going to spread the chicken wings. Before I do that, I'm just going to put a little bit of Celtic salt over this. And you're going to pour your chicken wing all out on this. As you can see, look at the lovely coated color on that. So just go ahead and spread them out. So I'm going to put them in the oven now. I'm going to start it on about 250 degrees. I'm going to leave it in for about 15 minutes. Then I will take it back out, rotate them, turn them. So I'll take you to the process. So stay tuned. So while the oven is going, I'm just chopping a bit of spring onion, just to garnish the chicken when it comes out of the oven. This is so delicious. Wow. So I'm just going to put a bit of tomato garnish over this. Just to accompany it. Spring onion. Gonna put some dressing with it. So it's just a bit of jerk dressing here.